Hello, good people. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. So it's me again, and my humble request to is to subscribe on this particular channel. So today I'm in Eastleigh. For those who doesn't know Eastleigh, Eastleigh is in Nairobi, Nairobi CBD, and Nairobi is the capital city of Africa. We all know that. That's why most people love Kenya, love Nairobi. And today I'm taking you through the street of Eastleigh on how this community are doing business. Yeah. So here inside here I'm going to Madina Mall. Madina Mall is a mall after BBS Mall. And I've been buying here my phone. The last phone I bought it here because I trust this community in business. Ukikuwa na maybe unabaisha vitu kuja Eastleigh you can buy, and the good thing with these people is ani vile wana handle their businesses, wanakuanga watu genuine na wanakuanga watu trusted sana. Hawezi wakakuzia kitu mbaya, na maybe wakikuzia kitu mbaya ama maybe umeenda kununua nguo na isikutoshe, unaweza ukarudisha. This is the thing I love about the Somali community. Somali community are very very friendly in business, and maybe you are outside, maybe you want to do business in and you don't have someone to send in Italy, you can send me, provided you know the supplier, identify the supplier, go talk to him or her on phone, then you can send me to go there and identify or confirm the goods you want in Eastleigh. Yeah, so this is the random street in Eastleigh. Yeah, so I'm here after Madina Mall. This is General Mwinge Road. I'm heading where they sell clothes, they sell shoes, and these people are very friendly. If you have done business with them, the community are very very friendly. They know how to they know how to build friendship if you get those one who are learned. So unajua kwa Somali kuna kuanga like ukipata yule mwenye hajasoma na yule mwenye amesoma, kuna tofauti kubwa sana. Or when you get someone who is sijui niseme civilized in a Somali community compared to that person who is uncivilized in Somali community, there is a huge difference. Yeah, so mimi nimefanya kazi na wao for now 2 years, and mostly nime interact na wao sana. So unajua the problem is Somali like wanakuanga rude. Kiburi nayo ni Promax. Yeah, but if you come interact with them, they are very good people, they are genuine. Yeah, so this street here sijui mbona leo iko flooded, because mostly inakuanga flooded kuanzia from let me say 4 PM ndio inakuanga flooded. And let me say this way that the Somali community kazi wanafanyanga mostly usiku from let me say 6 to 7. Utakuja huku hii street inakuanga busy, very 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 busy compared to now hakuna watu wako wengi sana. Hata ukiangalia kwa street utaangalia mostly tuko sisi Kenyans ndio tunatembea, but from 4 PM ukikuja huku inakuanga flooded. So saizi most of them they are sleeping, cause unajua wanafanyanga biashara hadi saa 6 saa 7 ya usiku, ndio huku kuna kuanga kumeshika sana. Yeah, and kuna kitu moja nimekuja ku identify na Somali community. Maybe you are a Somali, I need you to watch this video. You are in business no employ a Somali who have poor customer care services. You know, sisi Kenya, Wakenya tunakuanga for example someone walking in your store, the way you interact with him or her, the way you treat her or him, it will itafanya that person to come back or not. Yeah, so if you are Somali and you are hiring someone, consider someone who know customer care services, because I've come to interact that Somalis kuna wale wenye wajui customer care services. If you are running business, you know customer care services is the key to success of your business. And Kenyans wanapenda like how you treat them in your business, they will either come back or they will go. Yeah, so mimi nimeinteract now, I understand. So some treatment mimi najua kabisa, najua hizo treatment zao. Ukipatana na mtu mwenye ametoka Mogadishu is different from a Somali who has been raised in Kenya, maybe a Somali who has been in abroad. They have interacted with people, they know how to interact with people. Yeah, ukipata ule wa Mogadishu atafanya like you hate all Somali community. The Somali community are very 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 good people. Na the moment a Somali amekutrust, yeah. So this street hapa wanauza madera, yeah. Unaona hapa wanauza madera, majezi. You can come over here, you buy in wholesale na uanze biashara yako, unaona. So hapa ni dera wholesale, kuna hapo juu, yeah. So ukisonga mbele utapata like kuna hizo utensils, alafu tunaingia hiyo sekta ya viatu na manguo, this street over here. And one thing I love this place in Eastleigh, if you are, wewe ni kama ni mwizi wa simu in Eastleigh, don't try, cause that will be the end of you. You know, you see now I'm just carrying my phone with, yani nilikikuwa na hiyo psych, cause najua hapa hivi hakuna kitu inaweza kanda happen. Ukichukua simu yangu hapa, you will never come back in life, cause I know these people, I've interacted with them, yeah? They hate mwizi wanakuchukia sana. So here is electronic, perfume. These are small shops over there. You see the mom is selling hizo sufuria hapo. So when you turn, as I turn this way, hii ndio sector, kuna wholesale viatu, kuna wholesale manguo, kuna wholesale everything you want, yeah. Unaona hapa hivi sasa ndio kuna wholesale hapa hivi mingi sana. You see here, so you see this is a truck imeleta stock from Maida Mombasa, unaona. And you see people, look at how people are waiting, yeah. Unajua biashara ni mzuri kifanya na Somalis, yeah. So this is Eastleigh. Eastleigh is located in Nairobi. Yeah, you see people how wamekuja kuchukua wholesale, unaona? Yeah. You see how people are doing their business well. You come, you source from Somali, then you go sell there in retail. Na huku bei ya wholesale is very friendly compared to retail, because the retail watakupea ani charges zao zitakuwa juu ya nini, ya rent, the amount of rent they are paying in this place. Rent is very expensive in Eastleigh, because mimi nimefanya biashara huku, najua a small shop unaweza ukapata ni 50,000. That is a small shop. Maybe ubatiki upate ya 30, na hiyo 30 iko ndani kabisa, mtasumbuana na watu. So this is called Cape Town. Na hapa hivi center penye nini iko airline, na kuna konga here, I don't know the name. So see how Somalia have developed Eastleigh. Sasa sijui Ethiopia ni wametusaidia nini na Uganda, because Somalis have employed people, have employed Kenya, they have created job opportunity for Kenyans. Na mimi sijaona place Ethiopians, Ugandans wameka. I don't know if there is any place. Please tag on this particular place, yeah. So see how the building, yeah, unaona building vile wanajenga Eastleigh. Na I don't know where these people get money from. I think it's hard work, but hii hard work I need to learn from them. But unajua they can't reveal their secret, yeah, because mimi naona I have one I work with, but aweze akakwambia wanatoa wapi pesa, but that guy is an mse hard work, mse social, you know how to fit in a place, because unajua ani ile like interaction, anajua kuinteract na watu sana.
Do business and you don't have a reliable person.
So see how people are taking their stocks, waende wauze huko in retails. They come here, they buy in wholesale, wanaenda kuuza in retails, na wengine pia like they are opening now businesses, so wanatoa stock zao penye wana store, wanaenda kuuza different places in their malls, yeah. And I'm sorry I'm shaking my camera because I'm walking. I think when we come together I can buy a good camera so that I stop risking my phone. So hapa hivi tuko close to Garissa Mall ama Garissa Lounge. Hapa chini kuna kuangana Garissa Lounge. Down there, this street. Alafu tunapanda huku juu sasa. Okay, I know all streets in Eastleigh cause mimi nimefanya hizi ma design 3D, ma banners. I've been going to take measurement. I know the places well. So hii place kuna kuanga wanauza manyanya hapa. Hapa ndio penye wanauza manyanya or what, vitunguu, this place here. This is the street to Garissa Lounge. Yeah. So this is Jam Street. I'm heading now to Jam Street. Na Jam Street unajua like hapo place hata watu wa Ndudhi watakangi uende huko cause hapo unaweza ukaspend 2 hours in Ndudhi. Jo hiyo jam inakuanga hapo Jam Street. So Somali, this is the work they have done in Eastleigh. They are very lovely. They are very friendly. Mkizoana nao they are very good people kabisa. Yeah. So if you are planning to start a business, I can help you over here. I can source and send a parcel to you. Yes. Now I'm heading to Jam Street. I used to have an office over here, but the rent the rent is too high in these places. The problem is the rent. The rent is higher. Ani unajua like ukikuwa Eastleigh ni kama uko majuu. Rent unalipa juu sana kabisa, but hawa watu wamejenga Eastleigh. Mimi naweza nikasema ukweli, hawa watu wamejenga Eastleigh. Yeah? Watu wamejenga Eastleigh sana. So this is a random day but it's not busy. So this is the journey. You know, I came here not to buy something or anything but just to walk. To give you a story of this place. As I said, so you need to be rude to handle some of the people over here. But the more you become soft, hii inakuwa advantage kwao. So I'm heading to Moratino Street. This is the mosque over here. So this is the street I was talking about called Moratino Street. Heading to where we had an office. I, together with my colleague. My colleague was Somali also. He's a Somali. So, but he normally do other stuff. So it's not there. I'm the one in charge of everything. That's why I'm going to confirm. I'm going to confirm that I was called to confirm if I can repair electricity, if we can start business. But I pray that the machine are well because it was affected by water. Yeah. I'll be doing short videos each and every day. I won't cut them. I won't be editing them. So this is the street I'm heading somewhere. I will cut this video over here. Okay, bye bye.